Home reset. I'm going to help you get your home from chaos to calm. We've all been there. I've been there. I'm there right now. Between work and holidays, birthdays, family emergencies, who knows what, life happens. So sometimes your house just gets out of control and chaotic. I'm going to take you through these steps so that you can fairly easily, depending on how messy it is, get your house back to calm. I made a free printable for you with all the steps on it. You can get that in the comments or the links below. Open blinds and curtains. Letting some light in can make such a big difference on your mood and just how your house feels. So that's going to be the first step, is just to open those blinds and curtains. I have a special hack for you too to help with this if your house is extra messy or you have neighbors that can see in. This hack I figured out will help you use regular blinds, just like those wooden shutters that you can have half open and half closed, which is perfect if you have neighbors that can see in, or like our living room and kitchen are on the bottom floor so people can see in as they walk by. And if your house is really messy, you don't want that. So what you're gonna do is you're going to open your blinds like normal. It's going to shut the bottom half and your top half is open. It's awesome, it's so easy, and when I figured this out, I was like, why didn't I think of this sooner? I'd been struggling with this for years. Make beds. That's right, I know, you've probably heard this a million times, but make your bed. It really makes such a big difference, and I feel like a tidy home starts in the bedroom typically, because it's where you sleep, it helps you to recover and rejuvenate for the day. So make your bed, and as you go about your tasks and you see any of the beds in your house and they're made, it's just going to help things feel a little bit more peaceful and calm. Pick up dirty clothes around the house or not in the hamper. So go around your house and collect any of those dirty clothes and either add them straight to the laundry machine for a load of laundry or add them to a hamper or hampers. Put a load of laundry on to wash. So you're gonna start a load of laundry, set a timer on your watch or on your phone, something that you're gonna have on you so that when that load finishes, you know, and go on to the next step. Gather trash and recycling from around the house. So go around your house, get all the trash together, then go around and get all the recycling, take it out or add it to your cans or bins if you have those. Do that now and you're gonna start to see a big difference right away. New items. Designate an area of your house. It can be on the floor somewhere, a closet, a specific place in your house that you're gonna put any new items that you come across. So these would be purchases, deliveries, gifts, anything like that that's new and you haven't found a home for it yet. Place everything there as you come across it as you go through this. Papers. As you come across papers, I want you to make a pile or piles, but they'd have to be small, or otherwise put them in a bag or bags if you need to keep those piles separate, or a box. For any of those papers, you're not going to deal with them yet. That's going to come later, and just add those papers to those specific designated places until later. For the next section, as you collect items to put away, if it doesn't have a place in the room you're in, or at least on the same floor that you're in on the house, then go ahead and take a bag and put all of the items that you come across to put away in other areas of the house in that bag, and you'll come back to that later. Clear flat surfaces, floors. You're going to go around and pick up everything on the floor that does not belong there. So you're gonna either put it away right away or place it in that bag to put away later. And do it now, but do not clean. This is not a cleaning step, so just get the things off the floor that aren't supposed to be there.
I'm gonna clap you so much.
Oh, I love you. Thank you. Clear flat surfaces, kitchen counter. You're gonna clear your kitchen counters because these pile up so quickly and they can affect the entire house. If your kitchen counter is a mess, everything can start just piling up on it, and it can get to be a nightmare that can take so long to clean. But even if yours is really bad right now, even if it takes you a long time to clean, just know that there is hope. Once you clear this off, if you just even 5, 10, 15 minutes a day tidy up that kitchen counter after this is done, it is going to be so quick and pretty simple and easy to keep your kitchen counter clear. Don't get caught up doing dishes during this. Just put those in the sink, or if there's too many, put them next to the sink and move on because dishes will come later. Clear flat surfaces such as desks, tables, nightstands, dressers, laundry machines and counters, bathroom counters. Get all of those cleared. Now, some of these might be harder than others, so go ahead and start with your easiest flat surfaces that you have left.
Woohoo! My table! Clean table!
When the timer goes off for your laundry, you're going to stop what you're doing and you're going to go and transfer the wet laundry to dry. So put it in the dryer, hang it to dry, whatever you need to do, and then you're going to get right back to the task you were doing. Put laundry away. You're going to put away at least one load of laundry. You're going to fold it or hang it, whatever you need to do, and put that load of laundry completely away. Dishes. Now is the time that you're going to get to those dishes. So go ahead and take everything out of the dishwasher that's clean, if there's anything in there, and put at least one load of dishes into the dishwasher. So if you still have extra and you feel good and you want to keep going, you can go ahead and clean the rest of them either by hand or just set them aside so that they're going to be ready for the next dishwasher, but at least one load in the dishwasher started. Vacuum. Now you're going to get into some cleaning. You're going to vacuum those really nice clear floors. Now there's nothing on them that doesn't belong. Go ahead and vacuum all throughout the house. Mop or steam mop. I love to steam mop our floors. It just leaves them so nice and clean. And after you've had a fresh vacuuming, it just leaves those floors sparkling and you know that everything is really clean, so you can enjoy your beautifully new, tidy, clean house. Clean counters. Now you can move on to cleaning your counters. So kitchen counters, bathroom counters, any counters that need cleaning, go ahead and wipe those down. Nothing has to be perfect. Just go ahead and do a nice quick clean so you can get your house sparkling. Put away items from your put away bag. You're going to go around your house, go from room to room, returning those items that are in that put away bag, return them to their homes. Make sure that bag is clear before you move on to the next step. Please like this video, and I would love if you would subscribe if you're new. New items. Any new items in your home, such as purchases, deliveries, gifts, anything new that doesn't have a home, you're going to decide if you love it and you want to keep it. If you do want to keep it, you're going to find a home or make a home for it. If you don't love it or you don't want to keep it, you're going to return it. If you can't return it, then donate it. Returns. I want you to go through your house and make sure you have all the returns that need to be done in your house, and you're going to either ship them off or return them to the store or both. Get those returns out and returned so that you have more money in your bank account and less in your house. Donations. Collect any donations that need to be donated and put them in the trunk of your car. Schedule a time for tomorrow to take those donations in, or if you really want to get them out, go ahead and do that today. Papers. Now is the time that you're going to go through that pile or piles, box or bags of papers that you set aside. Now, this is not all of the papers in your house. This is just what you came across when you were clearing your flat surfaces. So if you have any bills or anything that urgently needs to be taken care of, do that first. Make sure that's separate and doesn't get muddled in with less important papers. Just keep what you absolutely need. Is there something that can be paperless? Is there something that needs to be taken action on? Deal with those and try and get that paper dealt with and out of your house. If any of these sections takes more than an hour to complete, don't feel bad. We all get our houses out of control sometimes, but go ahead and either continue on if you want to, go for it. But if not, move on to the next section and then just come back to that section that you left off on and spend at least 15 minutes the next day until you are completed with it. If this takes you more than one day to complete, do steps 1 through 5 again each day, and then you'll do 15 minutes at least on that step that you left off on. Continue this with each step and every day until you are completed with these steps, and you will have a tidier home. If you want to, throughout these steps, you can keep switching your laundry so that there's always a load of laundry washing and drying. If you have enough drying space for that, that is definitely an option. You're just gonna end up having a lot more laundry to put away in the laundry section when you get to that. Make sure to grab the free printable with all the steps so you can follow along and check them off as you go. It's linked in the comments and below. Stay tuned for one of my next videos on habits for a tidy home so that you can keep this newly tidy and clean home all the time. I loved making this for you. I hope it helped you to get your home a little bit cleaner, tidier, and calmer, because that's the goal here. And remember, you can always come back to this video if your home gets a little bit chaotic again, because it happens. Life happens. I love sharing organization tips and tricks and just tips, tricks, and favorite finds of all sorts with you. I hope to see you in my next video.